Let's now go to erectile dysfunction. Let's discuss the etiology in Chinese medicine. Etiology of erectile dysfunction in Chinese medicine are old age, excessive sexual activity, irregular diet, emotional stress, excessive physical activity, or overwork. In old age, as a man gets older, the kidney essence naturally declines and the fire of the gate of life, or Mingmen, gradually diminishes. It is in particular the decline of the fire of the gate of life that causes impotence in the elderly. Excessive sexual activity. Chinese books always mention excessive sexual activity as a cause of impotence. Excessive sexual activity causes a decline of both the kidney essence and the fire of the gate of life. The decline of the latter may cause impotence. Modern Chinese books always make a point of mentioning that excessive masturbation also constitutes excessive sexual activity. A level of sexual activity may be defined excessive only in relation to the man's age. Obviously, what is an excessive level of sexual activity in a 50-year-old man may be normal in a 20-year-old man. A very rough guideline is provided by dividing a man's age by 5 to indicate the frequency of sexual activity. For example, for a 40-year-old man, the ideal frequency would be once every 8 days. However, bear in mind this theory assumes that the man is in good health. Should he suffer from a kidney deficiency, the frequency should then be reduced. Finally, sexual activity in a man assumes ejaculation. That is, it is excessive frequency of ejaculation that weakens the kidneys, not sexual activity without ejaculation. Irregular diet. The excessive consumption of greasy, fried foods and dairy foods may lead to dampness or phlegm. Both dampness and phlegm may affect the man's genital system and give rise to impotence. For emotional stress is an important cause of impotence in the patients we see in Western countries. All emotions may lead to qi stagnation, and this starts as a pathological process that later involves some heat and frequently dampness or phlegm. In particular, worry, grief, and sadness affect the spleen and heart and may lead to impotence from heart blood deficiency. Fear and anxiety affect the kidneys and may lead to impotence from kidney deficiency. Repressed anger and guilt may lead to qi stagnation and blood stasis, which may also cause erectile dysfunction. Excessive physical activity, which may include excessive running or weightlifting in gym workouts, weakens spleen and kidney yang and may lead to impotence from kidney deficiency. Overwork. Overwork is another very important cause of impotence in Western patients. Overwork is defined as working long hours without any rest for many years, usually as under conditions of stress. This weakens the kidney and particularly kidney yin and is important cause of impotence in middle-aged men. Thank you for your attention.